Hi everyone, welcome to BR Academy. Yesterday we discussed complex numbers. Next continuation part, De Moivre's theorem. De Moivre's theorem. Yesterday we discussed polar form. That is Z equal to x plus I by equal to R into cos theta plus I sin theta. In that same continuation only. Here polar form. Here R mod Z is 1. Here Z equal to 1. So here that is cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n is. Then you take here cos n theta plus I sin n theta. But here n belongs to integer and n belongs to rational number. Here n belongs to integer means suppose I am taking here x plus I, that is 1 plus something 1 plus I whole cube equal I am taking here. Here 1 plus I whole cube means you will get the it is n is what here n is an integer, so you will get the one answer only here. So if it is a rational part, so the suppose that is 3 by 8 is there, 3 by some 5 is there, 3 by 8 is there, 1 plus I whole power 3 by 8 is there. So you take the values here, k equal 0, 1, 2, so on 8. If you take from 0 onwards, we will take here 0 to 7. If we take 1 on, start from 1 onwards, we take 1 to 8. If we take from 2 onwards, we take 2 to 7 up to 9. Okay, na? Here how many answers here? 8 answers will come here. K equal 0, 1, 2, 3 like this here. So here cos n theta plus I sin n theta is the only one value of cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n. Here n is on what here? Integer. That is n belongs to Z. Here cos n theta plus I sin n theta is one of the value of cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n here. N belongs to what here? N is a rational number, that is n belongs to Q here. We know that suppose Z equal to cos theta plus I sin theta, then 1 by Z is what here? Cos theta minus I sin theta. Here its reciprocal is cos theta, means change here, plus will become minus here. Z equal to cos theta plus I sin theta, then 1 by Z is what here? Cos theta minus I sin theta. Here cis theta 1 or cis alpha by cis beta, cis alpha by cis beta. Here cis theta, it is nothing but cos theta plus I sin theta. It is Euler's identity, e power I theta. We can write e power I theta equal to Euler's formula, that is cos theta plus I sin theta. Here cis theta is cos theta plus I sin theta, then we can write is equal to e power I theta. Exponential form. Here exponential form e power I theta equal to what here? Cos theta plus I sin theta. Here cis alpha by cis beta equal to cis of alpha minus beta. Cis alpha into cis beta equal to cis of alpha plus beta. Add the arguments here, that is angles here, alpha plus beta here. Here Z equal to x plus I by, we know that polar form r into cos theta plus I sin theta, then Z power 1 by n equal to here, that is r power 1 by n into cos theta plus I sin theta whole power 1 by n. So for getting all values here up to n values, so what is the first step is for argument adding 2k pi. For argument adding 2k pi. What is the argument here? Theta. So adding with theta is what here? 2k pi. That is 2k pi plus theta whole power 1 by n. So that equal to, we can write here r power 1 by n cos of 2k pi plus theta plus I sin of 2k pi plus theta whole power 1 by n. So that is here 1 by n multiplied with the argument, that is r cos of 2k pi plus theta, that is we can write here in exponential form r power 1 by n into e power I 2k pi plus theta. Here 1 by n multiply here, that is 2k pi by n plus theta by n. So that is r power 1 by n into e power I into 2k pi by n plus I theta by n. Where k is what here? 0, 1, 2, 3, so on n minus 1. Here nth roots of unity. Here nth roots of unity. Suppose z power n equal to 1, then z equal to what here? 1 power 1 by n. 1 is what here? 1 is its amplitude is what here? Is 0, cos 0, cos 0 plus I sin 0. Its value is how much here? 1. Suppose 1 power 1 by n equal to cos theta plus I sin theta whole power 1 by n. So what we had add with here? 2k pi add with here. So that is cos of 2k pi plus I sin of 2k pi. Here theta is what here? 0. So that is 2k pi plus 0. That is 2k pi I sin 2k by whole power 1 by n. So here k equal to that is equal to, we can write here cis of 2k pi by cis of 2k pi by n. So in Euler's in exponential form, that is z equal to, we can write here I 2k pi by n, where k equal to 0, 1, 2, n minus 1. So what is the exponential form? Z equal to what here? E power I 2k pi by n. Here k equal to 0 substitute here. So that is z equal to 1 will come here. K equal to 1 substitute here. So that is I 2k pi by n. K is 1, that is I 2 pi by n. K equal to 2 substitute here. That is 2 into 4. I 2 4 pi by n. K equal to 3 substitute here. 3 to the 6. That is 6 pi by n. Here see here. Here z equal to what here? Suppose here alpha equal to, I am taking here. Alpha is what here? E power I 2 pi by n. So z equal to e power I 2k pi by n. It is, we can write here a power mn equal to a power m whole power n. That is e power I 2 pi by n whole power k. Suppose this equal to, I am taking here, this one is alpha. That is alpha is e power I 2 pi by n. Then z equal to what here? Alpha power k. So here so here k equal to 0, k equal to 1, k equal to so on n minus 1 substitute here. So that will become how much here? K equal to 0 means it is alpha power 0 is 1. K equal to 1 means it is 1. K equal to 2 substitute here, then it is alpha square. So on k equal to n minus 1, that is z power n minus 1. So how it is here? 1 comma alpha square comma so on alpha power n minus 1. So you observe here properties of nth roots of unity. We observe here 1 alpha square. How it is this series? We know that AP we know that, GP we know that series. So here common ratio T2 by T1. T2 by T1 is constant. Alpha square by alpha is alpha. Alpha by 1 is alpha. So here, so its roots are in GP with common ratio is what here? Alpha. What is alpha here? E power I 2 pi by n. And its arguments are in GP. Here arguments are in AP with common difference is what here? 2 pi by n. Here adding this all roots here, that is 1 plus alpha square plus alpha cube plus so on alpha power n minus 1 is 0. So the sum of nth roots of unity is 0. That is 1 plus alpha square plus alpha cube plus so on alpha power n minus 1 equal 0. Or we can write this is 1 plus alpha 1 plus alpha 2 plus so on alpha n minus 1. Suffix write down, that is equal to 0. See here, nth roots of unity, what is it? Z power n equal 1, Z power n minus 1 equal to 0. By the expansion we can write here, this is Z power n into 0 into Z power n minus 1 plus 0 into Z power n minus 2, so on, Z power n, here there is no Z power n minus 1, so 0 into I am taking here, there is no Z power n minus 2, I am taking here 0 into something, so on, minus 1 equal 0. We know that sum of the roots equal to minus b by a. What is b here? 0. That is 0 by something is what here? 0. So what is the second property? The sum of nth roots of unity is 0. So that is nothing but 1 plus alpha square plus alpha cube plus 1 alpha power n minus 1 is what here? 0. Next, the product of the nth roots is minus 1 power n minus 1. The product of the nth roots is minus 1 power n minus 1. See here, 1 is I am taking here alpha power 0, something power 0 is 1, alpha power 0, alpha power 1, alpha power 2, so on, alpha power n minus 1. So bases are equal adding the powers, that is alpha power 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on n minus 1. So we know the summation n equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Here put n equal to n minus 1 substitute here, that is e power n into alpha power n into n minus 1 by 2. What is alpha here? Alpha is e power I 2 pi by n. E power I 2 pi by n into n minus 1 by 2. Here n cancel, 2 to cancel. So that is e power I pi into n minus 1. Here. See this equal to we can write here, that is cos n minus 1 into pi plus I sin n minus 1. So e power I theta, Euler's identity, Euler's formula we can write here, that is cos theta plus I sin theta. So same as we can write here e power I theta. What is theta here? Pi n minus 1. So cos theta, I put theta equal to pi n minus 1. That is cos of n minus 1 into pi plus I sin of n minus 1 into pi. Suppose n is odd number. N is odd number means suppose I am taking here 3, you take here 3 minus 1. That is cos 2 pi plus I sin 2 pi. Sin 2 pi is 0. Cos 2 pi is how much here? 1. So when n is odd, it is how much here? 1. When n is even, suppose 2 I am taking here. That is e power I pi. That is cos pi plus I sin pi. So cos 180 is minus 1. Sin 180 is 0. So it is how much here? 1. So you take like this, even or like this. So you get here minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1. So that is what here? Minus up to roots here, power up to n minus 1. So that's why the product of the nth roots is what here? Minus 1 power n minus 1. Here, next one here, fourth one. If 1 comma alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha n minus 1, nth roots of unity of z power n equal to 1. Then here z minus alpha 1 into z minus alpha 2 into z minus alpha n minus 1. So here this equal to we can write here z alpha z power n minus 1, z power n minus 1 equal to we can write here, that is z minus 1 into z power n minus 1. So that is we can write this is, that is 1 into z power n minus 1 by z minus 1. Once you observe here, what is the GP formula, SN formula? A into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1, SN equal to. So this series is r is what here? 1 plus r square plus r cube so on, r power n minus 1. So a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1, it is GP. So this equal to we can write here 1 plus z square plus z cube plus so on, z power n minus 1 here. So therefore z minus alpha 1, z minus alpha 2 so on, this equal to we can write here 1 plus z square plus so on, z power n minus 1. Here put z equal to 1 in this one, substitute here 1 minus alpha 1 into 1 minus alpha 2 into so on 1 minus alpha n minus 1 equal to here 1 plus 1 so on, that is n terms, that is value, that value is how much here? This is equal to n. So it is important you remember, that is 1 minus alpha 1 into 1 minus alpha 2 so on 1 minus alpha n minus 1 is how much here? N here. Yeah. Next one here. Here, next one, nth roots of unity. Nth roots of unity. Next to fifth one. Nth roots of unity. Nth roots of unity lies on unit circle. Lies on unit circle. Here, its length is how much here? Suppose I am taking here nth roots of unity lies on unit circle. Suppose n equal to 2 I am taking here. So that is square root. Z equal to square root of 1. That is 1 power 1 by 2. So we can find out here two ways. It is nothing but z square equal 1. That is z minus 1 into z plus 1 equal 0. So what are the roots here? 1 comma minus 1. Or we can write z equal to 1 power r, 1 power 1 by 2. Here 1 power 1 by 2. Now only we discuss na. That is how much here? That is cis of, that is in Euler's formula e power I pi n. That equal to, we can write here e power, or we can write this is cos of 2k pi plus I sin of 2k pi plus whole power 1 by n. That equal to, we can write here cis of 2k pi by n. This equal to, we can write here e power I 2k pi by n. This equal to, we can write here 2k pi by n. Where k equal to 1 by 2 is there, then k equal to how much here? 0 comma 1 you take here. Suppose k equal to 0. K equal to 0 substitute here. E power 0. E power 0 is how much here? 1. Next k equal to 1 you take here. That equal to e power I 2 pi by n here. I 2 pi by n. So n is what here? 1 by 2. Yeah, 1 by 2. 2 to cancel. That is e power I pi. We can write here cos pi plus I sin pi. Cos 180 is how much here? minus 1, sin 180 is 0. Its value is how much here? Minus 1. So see here, it is a circle. So it is dividing. Suppose this is 1, we know that this is minus 1. So its length is mod z. Its radius is how much here? Mod z is 1. So based on this radius, so it forms a, this is what it is a circle. It is a circle with constant distance, that is radius is 1. Suppose n equal to cube roots of unity. This is square root of unity. Next to cube root of unity. Here cube root of unity is z cube equal to 1, that is z cube minus 1 cube equal to 0. So here you observe here angle divided in how many parts here? Equal parts. It is 180 degrees, it is also 180 degrees. Upper is 180 degrees, below. So it is dividing two equal parts. 2 values means dividing 2 parts. 3 values means it is dividing equal 3 parts. 4 equal parts up to n parts. So it is regular polygon n sided. Okay, see here. So z cube minus 1 cube you can find out here 2 ways, that is a cube minus b cube formula, a minus b into a square. Here z cube minus formula a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square equal to 0. So that is z equal to 1, z square plus ab plus b square equal to 0, z equal to 1 and z equal to how much here? Minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. Here 2 roots will come here, that is minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. Say suppose this is omega and this is omega square. Therefore, what are the cube roots here? 1 comma omega square. Here we know that 1 plus omega square is what here? 0. We know that 1 plus omega square is 0 and omega cube is what here? 1. So here 3 parts. Suppose this is a circle. Suppose it is 1. So it is omega and it is omega square. So this angle, this one is how much here? 120 degrees and it is 120 degrees and it is also 120 degrees. How many parts? 1, 2, 3. It is divided 3 equal parts. So here 120 degrees. So it is 3 parts. Suppose 4th roots of unity you take here. 4th roots of unity. We see here z power 4 equal 1, z power 4 minus 1 equal to 0. So that is z equal 1 power 1 by 4. Now only we discuss this is e power, yeah, that is how much here? 6 2k pi by n. 6 2k pi by n. N is what here? 4. This equal to we can write here e power I k pi by 4. Here where k equal how much here? 0, 1, 2, 3 substitute here. Here k equal to 0 substitute here. K equal to 0. K equal to 0 substitute here. Then it will become 0 e power 0, that is cos 0 plus I sin 0. It is 6 0. So 6 0, it is how much here? 1. K equal to 1 substitute here, that is pi by 4, that is cos pi by 1. So that is how much here? 2 to the cancel. 2 to the cancel means it is pi by 2. K equal to 1 substitute here, cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. Cos 90 0, sin 90 1. Its value is how much here? 1. And k equal to 2 substitute here, that implies 2 here, that is cos pi plus I sin pi. You know that sin 180 is 0, cos 180 is minus 1. Next k equal to 4 substitute here, that is 6 of 4 substitute here, so it is how much here? Pi by 2. So it is k equal to 4 substitute here. 4 and how much here? 2 pi. Cos 6 2 pi, that is cos of 2 pi plus I sin of 2 pi. Here sin 2 pi, it is how much here? 0, cos 2 pi. Here k equal to 4 substitute here. So then it will become 2 pi. That is 2 pi. Cos 2 pi plus I sin 2 pi. Sorry here. 2 pi. Cos pi by 2 plus I. K equal to 4 substitute. 4 2. Here k equal to 2 substitute here. K equal to 0, 1, 2, sorry 3. K equal to 3 substitute here. Then it will become here 3 pi by 2. So it is how much here? 3 pi by 2 and it is 3 pi by 2. Here cos 3 pi by 2, that is 270. It is how much here? 0. Here 270, 180 plus 90, it is minus 1. It is how much here? Minus 8. So how many roots here? 4 roots. You observe here, it is dividing 4 equal parts. Suppose this is 1, minus 1, I, it is minus I. Each angle is 90 degrees. 90 degrees, it is also 90 degrees, it is also 90 degrees, then it is also 90 degrees. So on, like this we can take here, these roots when plotted the divides up to 2 parts, 3 parts, so on, n parts. So divides unit circle, n equal parts and form a regular n-sided polygon. So like this here, n-sided. Like this. Okay, so that is here n equal parts and it forms a regular n-sided polygon. Suppose this is point 1, 2, 3, 4 like this n sides. Next one. Here k equal to, for example here, k equal to 1 to 11. 1 to 11. Here cos 2k by 11 plus I sin 2k by 11 equal to dash. We know that now only we discussed here k equal to 1 to n. K equal to 1 to n e power I 2k pi by n. So sum of nth roots is what here? 0. Now only we discuss na. Sum of nth roots is how much here? 0. Here n is what here? 11. That is by Euler's we can write here, that is e power I theta. Theta is what here? 2k pi by 11. That is cos theta plus I sin theta. So its sum is what here? 0. That is 1 plus alpha square plus so on alpha n minus 1 is how much here? 0. Next one. Second one. Summation k equal to 1 to 10. K equal to 1 to 10 cos of 2k by 11 plus I sin of 2k by 11 is dash. Here you observe here 11 parts. Here n11 up to 1 to 11. Suppose here k equal to 1 means you have to take here n. 1, 2, 3, so on n you take here. If starts from 0, we can take here, that is 0, 1, so on n minus 1. If starts from 2, you take here, that is 2, 3, 4, so on n plus 1. So here k equal to 1 to n, 2k by sum of the nth roots is 0. But it is 10 is there. What I am taking here, first up to 11 is take here and minus deleting 11. So here k equal to 1 to 11 I am taking here, that is cos of, this is cis of, what here cis of means here e power I 2k by 11 minus deleting 11th one here, 11th, so 11 cancel, so remaining what here e power I 2k pi, I 2k pi, here k is what here 11, so e power I 2 pi. So its value is how much here? Its value is 0. So remaining here 0 minus, it is how much here? Cos 2 pi plus I sin 2 pi. Cos 2 pi plus I sin 2 pi. So cos sin 2 pi is 0. Cos 2 pi is 270 plus 90. That is 1. That is 0 minus 1 is how much here? Minus 1. Next one. Third one. Summation k equal to 1 to 6. K equal to 1 to 6. Yeah, sin 2k by sin 2k by 7 minus I cos 2k by 7. It is how much? Dash. So here what is the Euler's formula? That is cos theta plus I sin theta, but it is sin is there, its coefficient is, first make it sin coefficient is I, so what we have to do here, minus I common in this one, so that is minus I common, k equal to 1 to 6, so it will become here cos of 2k pi by 7 here plus 1 by minus I sin of 2k pi by 7. So we know that minus 1 equal to I square. So 1 by minus I equal to I. 1 by I equal to minus I. So that equal we can write here minus I into k equal to 1 to 6 cos of 2k by 7. Here it is how much here? I. That is I into sin of 2k by 7. So that equal we can write here. Here n7 is there, up to 6 is there. First to make it up to 7 and deleting 7 in this one. This is equal same as it is before this problem only. That equal to minus I into summation k equal to 1 to 7. That is e power I 2 pi by how much here? 7 minus deleting 7 1. So that is e power I pi. E power I pi. So this value is how much here? 0. 0 minus cos pi plus I sin pi. Cos 180 plus I sin 180. So cos 180 is how much here? That is, so second quadrant minus 1. So minus how much here? Plus 1. Here before what here? Before minus I is there. Into minus I. So it will become minus and minus plus minus I will come here. Next one. Next one, fourth one. If the complex cube roots, cube roots of minus I are alpha, beta, gamma, then alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. So first one here 1, second option minus 1, and third option minus I, and fourth option 0. So here, what is given here? Z equal to cube roots of minus I. That equal to Z equal to minus I whole power 1 by 3. Minus I whole power 1 by 3. Here, that is minus I whole power 1 by 3. Minus I outside. So remaining what here? 1 power 1 by 3. We know that 1 power 1 by 3, these roots are 1, omega and omega square. So that equal to minus I into 1 comma omega square. So that is what here? So it is minus I omega square. So alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. Beta square plus gamma square. Alpha is minus I square is minus 1. So totally minus I common, minus I whole square. Remaining what here? 1 square omega square plus here 1 omega square. 1 plus omega square. It is omega square whole square. That is omega power 4. It is how much here? Omega. That equal to minus I square. It is plus I square is minus 1 into 1 plus omega square. This value is how much here? 0. So fourth option. Next fifth one. If 1 comma omega square, so on omega power 8 are the roots of the equation. X power n minus 1 equal 0. Then summation r equal 1 to 8. Here 1 to 8 omega power r whole power 99 is equal to first one. So here first option 0 and the second option 8, third option 1, fourth option omega. So here k equal to r equal to 1 to 8 omega power r, here 99 equal, I am taking here 11 into 9. So we know that a power m whole power n equal to a power m whole power n we can write here. So this equal, I am taking here r equal to 1 to 8 omega power 9 whole power 11 into r and here. Omega power 9 value is how much here? 1. That equal to r equal to 1 to 8, that is omega power 11 into r. Now r equal 1. So here it is 1. Omega power 9 is 1. R equal 1 substitute here. 1 power anything 1, 1, so on up to 8 terms. So it is how much here? 8. So second option. Next one, third one. If z equal to cos 6 plus I sin 6, z equal to cos 6 plus I sin 6, then summation n equal 1 to 20. Summation n equal 1 to 20. Imaginary part of z power 2n minus 1 is dash. First one 0, second one minus 1, and third one 3 by minus 3 by 4 sin 6 degrees, and fourth one 3 by 4 sin 6 degrees. See here. We know that cos theta plus I sin theta. What is given here? Z equal to given. Then the imaginary part of Z. Suppose Z equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. Then cos theta is what here? A real part. Sin theta is what here? Imaginary part. So Z power 2n minus 1. Z power 2n minus 1. Z power 2n minus 1. That equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. It is 2n minus 1. By the over expansion we can write here cos of 2n minus 1 into t theta plus I sin of 2n minus 1 into theta. So what is the imaginary part? Imaginary part of Z is 2n minus 1 into sin of 2n minus 1 into theta. So therefore summation n equal to 1 to 20, that is imaginary part of Z is, I am taking here sin of 2n minus 1 into alpha or theta, your wish, n minus 1 into alpha. So here n equal to 1 substitute here. What is alpha here? Here alpha here 6 degrees given here, equal to 6 degrees. N equal to 1 substitute here. N equal to 1, that is sin alpha. N equal to 2 substitute here, sin 3 alpha. N equal to 3 substitute here, sin. So here 3, 6 alpha, 3 and 5 alpha. Then so on. 20 substitute here, 39. 20 and 29, 2, 41, 39. Sin 39 degrees alpha. So here we have the formula, one of the formula, you remember this one here. So that is k equal to 0 to n minus 1, summation k equal to 0 to n minus 1, sin of a plus kd, a plus kd equal to sin nd by 2, sin nd by 2 by sin d by 2, nd by 2 by sin d by 2 into sin of 2a plus n minus 1 into d by 2. Apply this formula here. Can I hear? So here, what is the a here? A comparing here, a equal to alpha. A equal to alpha and d equal to difference 3 alpha minus alpha. It is 2 alpha and t equal to 2 alpha. And n equal to how many times given? Up to 20 times. N equal to 20. Substitute here. So that equal to sin nd by 2. Sin nd 20 into d. That is 2 alpha by 2 divided by sin d by 2. That is 2 alpha by 2 into sin of 2a. A is what here? 2 alpha plus n minus 1. 20 minus 1. That is 19 by 2 into alpha. So that equal to we can write here. Here 2 to cancel. That is sin 20 alpha. So 20 alpha. Alpha is how much here? 6 degrees. 20 into 6. 120 degrees. 120 degrees by the 2 to cancel. So this is sin 6 degrees into 2 alpha. It is how much here? 4 alpha. 4 alpha. That is 23 alpha. So that is substitute here 2 to the 4 alpha plus 19 alpha by 2, that equal to is how much here? 23 alpha by 2, that equal to 23 into 6. 2 3 cancel. So it is 9 and n minus 1. N is what here? 20 minus 1. So multiply. That equal to 2 alpha, 4 alpha, 23 alpha, 23 by 2 into alpha is how much here? 6 degrees. Alpha is 6 degrees. So what is the formula? 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Only 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Your formula. Here n minus 1 into d is 19 alpha. 19 plus 2, 21 alpha. Here 21 alpha equal to 21 into 6. Here 2a plus n minus 1 into d by 2. alpha plus n minus 1 into d. So alpha plus, that is 20 alpha equal to 20 into 6. It is how much here? 120. So it is sin 120. So sin 120, it is 180 minus 60. Sin 180 minus 60, sin 60, it is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 into sin 6 degrees into, it is also root 3 by 2. So root 3 into root 3, it is how much here? 3 by 4 sin 6 degrees. 3 by 4 sin 6 degrees. So fourth option. Next one. So it is a plus n minus 1 into d. Next one. Here, next one, 2 by I plus root 3 whole power 100. Next, plus 2 by I minus root 3 whole power 100 equal to dash. First option. Two, second one, 1, third one, minus 1, and fourth one, minus 2. Here, we know that omega value is how much here? Omega equal to minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2, and omega square equal to minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. Here minus omega, both sides will multiply here, 1 plus I root 3 by 2. Here minus omega square equal to 1 minus I root 3 by 2. We know that these values. Can I see? Here 2 get the denominator, so that is 2 by, what I am doing here, I common in this one. I common 1 plus, that is 1 plus 1 by I root 3 by 2 whole power 100. Here also, so it will become 1. So here it is also 1 by I common, that is 1 minus 1 by I root 3 by 2 whole power 100. Whole power 100, that equal to 1 by I power 100 into 1 by, so 1 by is what here? Minus I. 1 minus I root 3 by 2 whole power 100. It is also 1 by I power 100. 1 by, it is 1 minus, here minus 1 by is here plus I. That is 1 plus root 3 I by 2 whole power 100. I power 100, it is how much here? Dividing with 4, remainder is 0. Its value is how much here? It is also 1. 100 divided by 4, remainder is 0. So its value is 1. Here what is here? This value is how much here? Minus omega square. It is value is minus omega. That is 1 by minus omega square whole power 100 and plus 1 by 1 plus I root 3 minus omega whole power 100. We can write minus it is plus omega square 200, omega power 200, it is omega power 100. 200 divided by 3. So how many times here? So this is 8, so this is 26, 8. So it is how much here? Remainder is 2. This is equal to, we can write here 1 by omega square. Omega power 100, it is 3. This is 33, 99, it is how much here? 1. So 1 by omega. So what is the LCM here? Omega square is LCM. 1 plus omega. 1 plus omega is what here? Minus omega square. So omega square cancel. So its value is how much here? Minus 1. Third one. Next one. If 1 comma alpha 1, alpha 2, so on, alpha n minus 1 are the nth roots of unity, and n is an even number. Then 1 plus alpha 1 into 1 plus alpha 2 into so on 1 plus alpha n minus 1 is equal to dash. So first one is 1 and second one is minus 1, third one is 0, fourth one is 2. Here we know that z power n minus 1 equal to formula z minus 1 into z minus 1 into z minus alpha 1 into z minus alpha 2, so on z minus alpha n minus 1. See here. So here 1 plus alpha 1 is there. What is there? 1 plus alpha 1 is there. So for getting plus alpha, what I am doing here, put z equal to minus 1 I am substituting here. Put z equal to minus 1 substitute here. It is how much here? Minus 1 power n minus 1. It will become minus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 alpha 1. Minus 1 alpha 2. So minus 1 alpha n minus 1. So suppose n is an even. N is even. So what is given here? N is an even number given. N equal to even. So it is how much here? 2 square. It is 1. 1 minus 1. It is how much here? 0. Here minus 2. Here minus means all are minus into minus here plus because even. So it is become 2 into 1 plus alpha 1, 1 plus alpha 2, so on 1 plus alpha n minus 1. So its value is how much here? 0. Therefore 0 by 2 is 0. 1 plus alpha 1 into 1 plus alpha 2, so on 1 plus alpha n minus 1 is how much here? 0. So third option. Next one. Next one. If 2 is 7 pi by 5. 7 pi by 5 is one of the values of z power 1 by 5. Z power 1 by 5. Then z equal to, so that is first one 32 plus 32y, and second one minus 32, third one minus 1, and fourth one 32. Fourth one is 32. So what is given here? 2 is 7 pi by 5 is one of the values of z power 1 by 5. So here z power 6 is cos theta plus I sin theta. Z power 1 by 5 is 2 into cos of 7 pi by 5 plus I sin of 7 pi by 5. Here z power 1 by 5 whole power 5 equal to, it will become 2 power 5. So cos of 7 pi by 5 into, by the De Moivre expansion it will become into, here sin of 7 pi by 5 into 5. 5 cancel. That equal to 2 power 5 into 7 pi we can write here. 6 pi plus 5 plus I sin 6 pi plus 5. So we know that cos 6 pi plus pi is cos pi, cos 180. So that is 90. That is minus 1. 2 power 5. It is minus 1. Here 6 pi. That is sin pi. So that is how much here? 0. So its value is 2 power 5. So that is 460 into a minus 32. Minus is there. It will become minus 32. Second one. Next. The common roots of the equation z cube plus 2z square plus 2z plus 1 equal to 0 and z power 2018 z power 2017 plus 1 equal 0 satisfy the equation. So first one, z square minus z plus 1 equal 0, and second one, z power 4 z square plus 1 equal 0. Third one, z power 6 minus z cube plus 1 equal 0. Fourth one, z power 12 minus z power 6 minus 1 equal to 0. See here. So what is given here? The common roots of the, first we will find out the roots. Z cube 2z square plus 2z1 plus 1 equal 0. So given, what is given here? Z cube 2z square plus 2z plus 1 equal 0. Here 1 I am taking here 1 cube, and in this one 2z common. First z cube plus 1 cube right on here. Plus 2z common, z plus 1 equal how much here? A cube plus b cube formula. A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. That is z plus 1 into z square minus z plus 1 plus 2z into z plus 1 equal to 0. Z plus 1 common in this one. Z plus 1 into z square minus here z square. Z plus 1 common here. 2z minus z is plus z. Next plus 1 equal to 0. So what are the roots here? Z equal to minus 1. These roots are, we know that z equal to omega comma z equal to omega square. Z equal to minus 1. Substitute in this one. Here z equal to omega. Omega substitute here. Minus 1 substitute here in this one. So minus 1. This one not satisfying here. So z equal to omega substitute here. Z equal to omega substitute in this one. Omega for 2018 and omega for 2017 plus 1. If it is satisfied, z equal to omega substitute in the options. So 2018 how many times here? 3, 6, it is 18, it is how much? 20, 2, 1, 8. So how many times here? 70 times. That is 2, 1, 0, it is 8, 2, 2. So it is 6. It is how much here? 2. So omega square. So this equal to how much here we can write here? Omega square. That implies omega square, and 2017 it is 17. So 3 how many times here? 7. 70. 700 times it is. So this is 6 times 18, 21, 217 is 27. Next 7 you take here 2. So it is remainder is how much here? 1. So it is 1. So 1 plus omega square, it is how much here? 0. It is satisfying here. So this option is substituting 1. Option 1. Z equal to omega substitute here. Omega square, it is not satisfying here. Option 2. Z equal to omega substitute here. Option 2. Z equal to omega substitute here. It is omega power 4. Omega power 4 is what here? Omega. And omega square. And plus 1. It is satisfying. So option 2 left side. Next. Z plus, if Z plus 1 by Z equal to 1, then Z power 20 plus 1, Z power 40 plus 1, Z power 60 plus 1 divided by Z power 60 equal to dash. So here first one is minus 2, second one is 2, third one is 1, fourth one is minus 1. See here, Z plus 1 by Z equal to 1. Taking LCM, Z square plus 1 equal to Z, then Z square minus Z plus 1 equal to 1. So the roots are minus omega square. Suppose Z equal to minus omega, you take here. Z equal to minus omega. Then Z power 20 is how much here? Minus omega power 20 is omega power 20. 6 times. So that is remaining what here? Omega square. Next, Z power 40 you take here. That is minus omega power 40. 40, 399. How much here? 13 times. 39. Remaining what here? Omega. Z power 60. Minus means plus here. Omega power 60. So remainder 0 it is 1. So that equal you take here. Z power 20 is how much here? Omega square plus 1. And Z power 40 is what here? Z power 40. Omega minus omega square means here. Minus omega it is plus only. Because it is even. Na? So next Z power 40 plus 1 is, that is omega plus 1. Z power 60 it is 1 plus 1 divided by Z power 60 it is also 1. 1 plus omega square is minus omega. Minus omega square. 1 plus 1 is 2. That is omega cube is 1. It is how much here? 2.